What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So great to see you here again. Super happy that you're watching. Today I'm gonna do some winterization on my Mercruisers. Gonna fill them up with like antifreeze, try to make it good. Gonna verify that it really worked, and I'm gonna show you my setup before we head out to the boat. Show you how I'm gonna do my hoses, and hopefully that's gonna work. Plan is fresh water goes through this hose all the way, comes to this junction here. I'll have that one will be closed, and this will supply Sterndrive and engine with cooling water. This one will be connected to canister of antifreeze. I'm gonna have that hose going down into it. Then plan is to have this one above Sterndrive, have this like on a swim platform. It's gonna have that like that, and then have water flowing here, fresh water going to the engine. This one closed, this one will be here. I will try to keep this open this up. Fresh water will go both ways here, cool the engine, and then fill this hose with water. Have this one almost in the bottom, and then I'll close this one like that, and hopefully the engine at the correct RPM will start sucking this nice antifreeze juice down this hose. Create low pressure in this one, low pressure here. We'll suck it into the engine, going through the cooling system. Monitor that this one goes down. So that's the plan. Never done this before, so I'm gonna set it up, see if it works, and do that for both engines. And then I have an extra here so I can have both engines running, more or less keeping them hot and warm and nice with the thermostat open. So let's head down to the boat, set this up, see if we can make it happen, and get it done. So I've run my engines, I tucked in that antifreeze into it. I also open a little like drain hose in the engine plug or engine block, and drain out a little bit of that fluid and check the freezing properties of it, and turn out to be about minus 17 Celsius, and that is equivalent to the Fahrenheit. I think it's going to be pretty good. Hopefully it's going to be a mild winter. You never know. Last winter drop perhaps between 5 or 6 below Celsius on the coldest day. So that's pretty good. So I've done that, winterized my engines, so I'm going to do with that, gamble it. I don't know if it's going to be super cold, probably get a heater in there, keep an eye on it, keep an eye on the weather and so on, just to be on the safe side. Next winter, I'd probably have a little more antifreeze in it to get that freezing point, perhaps down to 25, 30, or if that's even possible, I don't know. But other than that, guys, thanks. It was fun doing this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. That would be super good to support this channel, make it grow, make it better. And hope to see you in the next one, guys. Take care.